Presiden ke Meghalaya TMC Bah Charles Pyngrope mynta ke sngi ka lai tarik nailar hajar pulai uloong bahaga jingsngew jong shimet MLA barim ke umroi constituency Bah George Lyngdoh ulong ubabit banlong Kyrtong MP ke TMC na Shillong syaka election Lok Sabha ke bansalong hau snem hajar pusau katba na Tura ke seng kala aiti hau Dr Mukul sangma ban peit Bah Charles uloong ru bakarai khatduh ensa shim daki nongialam bah khlieh jong ke seng TMC.
And since today is now we'll know the session, the timings and the duration, all, then we start putting our motions and deliberations accordingly.
Bah Charles, one more thing is that we have rumor that is going around, and in fact, Mas Bhalang has confirmed that Himachal will be joining NPP. He was former TMC member, then jumped to BJP. Now he is joining NPP. How do you feel about it?
Well, he is free to go to any political party as he desires, because at the moment there is no constitutional barrier that can stop him from doing so. Therefore, if he feels that he wants to go to join the NPP, then this is his prerogative.
Well, it is also said that he will be, and he is eyeing NPP's seat, Shillong parliamentary seat, to contest as a candidate for Shillong parliamentary seat of NPP. So, if you can tell us about how do you feel, and do you have you decided to contest? Means your party has decided to contest
One
Shillong.
thing about the NPP, they will have to fight the parliamentary seat. So, if they are looking at Bah to be the candidate, so it's, I find there's nothing wrong in that. But where our party is concerned, I have yet to discuss with the High Command or General Secretary in charge, Dr Mukul. In fact, I spoke to him this morning, asking him for a meeting, and perhaps he will come or I'll go to Calcutta and finalize the modalities of how we go about it.
But TMC will be contesting this parliamentary election, right?
Yes.
Both the seats?
Yes. Both seats.
Okay.
So have you decided on the candidates, sir?
No, only after we get the go ahead from the party that they have to agree on certain issues, then we shall go. Because we already have candidates, so it's no issue.
So who are your probable candidates, sir?
Well, from the Shillong region, and that's my personal, but according depends on the entire party hierarchy. I feel Bah George Lyngdoh will be a very good candidate. And from the Garwals, I'll leave it to the wisdom of the Honourable Parliamentary Party Leader, Dr Mukul to take the final call.